McG, when I catch you. McG, when I catch you.
So McG chose Didi, The Don, and Ilano? How's that even possible? The time she invited Thandeka in his podcast, he got millions of views proving that nothing beats Thandeka. Italians, we must do something. They should have chosen Thandeka and Melly, not those Didi and The Don. Mwah. Italians, how can we fix this? Yo, yeah, this is an angry fan right here. Kwatile ukuthi why uThandeka angachuzwanga. McG, ama-fans akaThandeka kwatile bathi wena uyuze uThandeka. What do you have to say about that? What do you have to say about that? Yeah, no, kunzima straight. Anyways, people thought he liked her and would have chosen her as one of the Chillers Punch ambassadors. What went wrong, McG? Thina besithi uyamthanda uThandeka because sibonile sonke as a country that you were rooting for her. You wanted her to win the Big Brother Mzansi. So now, why is she not one of the ambassadors? Chillers Punch, because you and your wife were rooting for her. I thought you guys were on her side. Bheka manje i-social media ibhizi ikhuluma ngalento. Everyone is laughing at Thandeka manje. uThandeka kubonakala ngathi yena uyibharu nje manje. Ubonakala ngathi uyuziwe and vele nami ngiyibona kanjalo mna nje. Kubonakala ngathi vele bomuyuza uThandeka. So, what's your reason manje McG for not working with uThandeka or for not choosing uThandeka to be an ambassador ye-Chillers Punch? Cause akwenzi sense, bra. You were rooting for her, you were fighting for her, but now mase kumele ukuthi usebenze naye manje kuba nenkinga. Isikhiphani. Bheka manje i-social media ihleka umntana abantu. Iyamhleka nje bajoka ngaye nje manje uyatrenda nje uThandeka ukuthi we bamuzile. Abanye baze bayakhomenta bathi yabona lento yokuba rude. Manje uMcG akafuni ukusebenza nomuntu rude because nawe ubonile ukuthi angeke align lento. uMcG uzama ukuprotecta ibusiness lakhe. Ubonile nje ukuthi there's no brand alignment here. Kodwa nje kubhlungu because hey bra. And ubonile the time uThandeka beka kule podcast kule episode yabo. She even said ukuthi yo iChillers Punch imphatha kamnandi nje angajabula ukuthi abe ambassador yayo iChillers Punch. Oh, only for this to happen. McG, you foul for that, my guy. Yo, bro, you did her dirty, dog. Dog, you did Thandeka dirty. Like, what the hell, bro? Because I'm sure na uThandeka bekayitshela ukuthi okay no yabo ngizosebenza nayo iChillers Punch. Yabo bangi-invitele na ku-interview. Ngiyazi ukuthi uMcG bekafuna ukuthi ngiwine. uMcG vele he was fighting. uMcG and his wife were fighting for me to win. They were on my side. They were rooting for me. So definitely I'm gonna get the deal. Oh, kanti nje laba bazovele bakujikele nje bathi hey sisithandeka siyabonga nje ukuthi uzile ku-podcast yethu sayenza i-interview kodwa nje ngathi ngeke isebenze lento yethu le. Ngeke isebenze. Yabo sometimes guys lento ukuthi uzoba rude nje nayo ayikho grand. Yes, maybe personality yakho and that's who you are and that's how you are, but mfethu manje mase sikhuluma ngama-brands nani mfethu ama-brands mfethu mawufuna ukusebenza nama-brand kumele nje ube umuntu oright. Yonke into yakho nje kumele ihambe ngendlela cause once nje wathi trip ama-brand ayakubaleka baba abafuni ukuhlanganisa nawe. Basaba ukusebenza nawe cause manje bacabanga ukuthi uzongcolisa i-brand yabo or yabo nje into enjalo. So yeah, ama-brand anjalo ke. So cela ningitshela ukuthi ngicabanga ngalento yenza uMcG guys. Lento ayenza ukuThandeka because ngiyazi ukuthi sonke or most of us besicabanga ukuthi okay uMcG na kanjani vele uzochoose uThandeka ukuthi abe yi-ambassador ye-Chillers Punch. Kanti next. So ngicela nikhomenteni nje ningitshela ukuthi lento yenza uMcG nifila kanjani ngayo. Nibona ngathi umyuzile uThandeka or akamyuzanga? Do you feel like he used uThandeka or akamyuzanga? It was just pure business. Cela ni comment.